Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Lionel, Menards, and MTH. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel Trains has announced a series of exclusive milk reefers for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. The cars will be available in Aberdeen, Caroline, and Western, Entenmann's Bakery, and Lehigh Valley colors for $119.99 each, or all three for $319.99. The cars are expected to arrive in late 2024. Lionel has also announced 2 exclusive bay window cabooses for Metka, one in Air Force One colors and one for Entenmann's Bakery. The cabooses are expected to arrive in late 2024 with an early order price of $139.99 or both for $259.99. Menards has released an AA powered and dummy set of its popular FP7 diesels in Union Pacific colors. The set is available online with a limit of 1 per customer for $249.99 before rebates. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing a collection of limited edition Christmas releases beginning this fall, including a Rail King ES44AC diesel for $439.95, with a matching extended vision caboose for $89.95, a Rail King Christmas Alco PA diesel for $399.95, with a matching 4-unit 60-foot passenger car set for $419.95, a Rail King Bump and Go trolley for $109.95, an operating Santa and Elf handcar for $89.95, a 4-car 50-foot boxcar set with LED lights for $349.95, a single Rail King Christmas boxcar with LED lights for $79.95, 2 different Christmas gondolas with illuminated snowmen for $84.95 each, 2 non-illuminated boxcars with Christmas graphics for $64.95 each, a Rail King Christmas boxcar with included voltmeter for $84.95, 3 different flat cars with Santa, his sleigh, and LED lights for $89.95 each, 2 different flat cars with lighted Christmas trees for $89.95 each, a Christmas operating boxcar for $84.95, a Town Square lighted Christmas tree for $59.95, an Elf Expressions 2-story city building for $99.95, and a roadside Christmas tree shop for $79.95. All items are expected to arrive at authorized MTH dealers between August and October 2024. MTH Electric Trains has announced new exclusive Christmas-themed items for Legacy Station, including a Christmas boxcar with LED lights and an extended vision caboose with LED lights for $80.99 each. Both items are expected to arrive in July 2024. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale P47 steam locomotive in Monon Purdue University colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The locomotive is based on an actual locomotive painted in the 1920s in celebration of the annual Purdue University-Indiana University football rivalry. Available in limited quantities, the locomotive is slated to arrive in September 2024. The early order price is $1259.95. And MTH Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued P47 steam locomotive in Erie colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. Available in limited quantities, the locomotive is slated to arrive in September 24 with an early order price of $1259.95. MTH Trains has also announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale P47 steamer in Central of New Jersey colors for Patrick's Trains. This is the first time this post-war version of the C&J P47 Pacific has been produced. The tender will have the CRR of NJ markings, and the tender will have the tender deck mounted steam turbo generator on it. Available in limited quantities, the locomotive is slated to arrive in September 2024. The early order price is $1229.99 plus freight. MTH Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued premier O-scale steel-sided stock car in 2 New York Central Cleveland Union Stockyards colors for exclusive distribution by Stockyard Express. The cars will be offered in 2 car numbers, both in extremely limited quantities beginning in June 2024. The early order price is $67.95 plus freight. And remember to visit our new Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links, so you can find the item you want while you keep these videos coming by supporting our channel. And remember to check out our latest long-format video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.